Today we talk about how can you select, who can add you to group channels on your Getcontact app. We go to figure out the solution or know how you can do that in your app. So you just follow these ways, then it's going to work with you. All you have to do, you just go down, click here on menu down here. When you just click here on menu, it's going to take you to this list. It's going to show for you like this. Then all you have to do now, so just click here on settings. When you just click here on settings, it's going to take you to next here. It's going to show for you like this here. So then you just click here on chat privacy settings. Just click on it here. So then you come to next step. It's going to show for you like this. Click here on groups and channels. You just click on it here. Then you come to next step here. Then you come here to who can add me to channel shots. In here can you select who can add you to channel shots in this list. Then you click here on save to save video. That's all you have to do. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking.